So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the easiest way that you can make passive income online in 2024. And if you stick right to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step process I use to make a repeatable $2,000 over and over again. Now, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content that I drop every week on how you can sack your boss, start making money online, and go full time. Now, if you've tried making passive income online before, then leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know what happened. I personally respond to all of the comments just so that I can point you in the right direction. So the easiest business model for you to make passive income online in 2024 is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is essentially just selling other people's proven products and earning a commission when a sale is made. So the great thing about this is you don't need to pump loads of money into making a product. You don't need to buy loads of stock or anything like that. You can simply just find a product that you like and basically start promoting it. Now, you may be wondering, Andy, I don't know anything about affiliate marketing. If that's you, then don't worry, because I'm going to break down a step-by-step process that you can follow and start implementing today. So step number one is for you to pick a niche. Okay, so we don't always want to target everyone because your marketing message will be speaking to too broad of an audience. Okay, so you really want to narrow down exactly who it is that you're talking to. And there are three main niches within the affiliate marketing space, and they are health, wealth, and relationships. So obviously I'm in the make money online space, but you definitely want to pick a niche that you're passionate about. So like I said, we've got the health, wealth, and relationships, but within those three niches, there are multiple sub niches. Okay, like affiliate marketing, for example, is a sub niche in the wealth space. So step number two is for you to choose your offer. Okay, so if you're new to the affiliate marketing space and you've never done this before, you may be on a tight budget. If that's you, then I recommend going to either ClickBank or JVZoo. On these websites, there are loads of product creators looking for affiliates to actually go out there and promote their product for them, and they will pay you a commission if you make sales. So step number three to make passive income online is to automate the process. And we do this by building something called a funnel. So a funnel is simply a tiny little website which has a series of pages which takes people through to a specific end result. So the difference between a website and a funnel is if you go to a website, you've got the about page, you've got the home page, you've got all of these different places where you can click. Whereas in a funnel, people land on a landing page and they can only go to the next step. So let's just say, for example, someone lands on your landing page, then maybe there's an opt-in to go to watch a video or something like that. Funnels are amazing, especially if you're selling low ticket products, because they can automate your sales, which makes it truly passive if you're driving traffic to that offer. And talking of traffic, that brings me on to step number four, and that is to drive traffic. So in order for you to make sales, you need eyeballs on your offer. You need to drive traffic to your offer. And there are three main types of traffic that you need to understand. Okay, so we have hot, cold, and warm, right? So cold traffic is going to be the hardest people for you to sell to, especially if you're somebody that's watching this video, watching me for the first time. You're cold. You don't know who I am. Okay, there's not much know, like, and trust factor there. Therefore, it's going to make it very difficult for me to make sales to you. Therefore, it's going to be a little bit more difficult for you to be able to make sales to a cold audience, just purely because there's not much of a relationship built there. And then we have warm traffic. These may be your subscribers, for example, people who already know who you are. And these people are a little bit easier to sell to just because there's a bit more of a know, like, and trust factor there. Maybe they're following your content, maybe they like your content, and that's a much better a much better audience to sell your products to. And then we have hot traffic. Okay, these are going to be the easiest people for you to sell to because these are people that you've sold to before. Okay, and as long as you've sold them a good product, they're going to trust you, right? They're going to come back, and if you've got other products that you want to sell and they're good quality, they will buy them from you. And step number five is to just be consistent, guys. Okay, I cannot stress how important this is. You don't want to be, just trying this for 30 days and then giving up. You want to be consistent. So if any of you are looking for a step-by-step process to boost your affiliate marketing business, get it off the ground, up and running, to start making those commissions, then I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description because I put together a free training which walks you through my Ollie framework. I'm Andy Mattis, and I'm out.